Hello there guys! I'm so excited today because I'll be teaching a most requested recipe from my group Newbie Baking and Cooking, and that is boiled icing. In the Philippines, boiled icing is the most used recipe of icing. It's hot, it's humid, and you just need a very stable icing for your cupcakes and cakes. I remember when I was young, I think most of the cakes there are all using boiled icing. So we love that sweet, cloudy icing on top of a cake or a cupcake. So I've decided it's easy, but you need to know the trick. So let's get started.
If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get notifications for new future videos.
We'll be needing sugar, water, cream of tartar, marshmallows, and egg white. So, we'll put the sugar, then the egg white, lagay po natin yung cream of tartar, the water, pero magtitira po kayo para sa ating marshmallow. So, ima-microwave ko lang po yung marshmallow, sandali. Kasi ang marshmallow po may gelatin and other gums. So, para hindi na po tayo mahirapan, kung readily available naman yung marshmallow, so, we'll just use it. This is to help stabilize yung ating boiled icing. Then, sa mahinang apoy, lagay po natin yung asukal. Ilagay po natin yung egg white. put piping bag. Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel and follow me in Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So, have a great day! Bye!